Motivated.
Caring.
Team player.
Driven.
Open-minded.
Entertaining.
Proactive.
Funny.
Leader.
Dependable.
Animated.
Professional.
Ooh.
Determined.
Passionate.
Silly.
Mr. Ray is amazing.
From a seat in the classroom to a seat in my own office. Hi, my name is Raynard Gillispie, 2-time Staff of the Year recipient at Chicago Excel. Here's my story. This is the area I grew up in. Like, as you can see, like I grew up in a house 4 houses down, and I could just walk to school. So, you know, just coming here, just seeing the school and it's changed to a high school, I'm like, let me take advantage of that. And then, you know, that's how everything started. Right here on 71st and 72nd and Morgan. Thank you, sir. It's crazy looking at this quote, and it says your future starts here, because it speaks value to me, because everything did start here. Sitting in these desks, and, you know, I really came in here because I wanted the students to know, like, I actually sat here, so I know what it means to come to school, try to be different, go through different things. So, you know, a lot of students say, hey, Mr. Ray, you came to this school? Like, yeah, I'm here to tell you my story. I want you guys to know, because a lot of the students don't think you got something to talk about and you can't make that connection with them. But Mr. Ray, here, I seen it all, did it all. And look, I'm here to take you guys and give you that guidance to move on to the next level. Like, I'm here. Anytime any student need me, they need me just for a talk and just for some guidance, I'm here.
To not select Raynard Gillispie for National Staff of the Year is to go against the framework and the mission and vision of full-bloom education in SESI. When we started and moved out here in 2012 and opened the programs that are now become our Chicago region, if I would have known that 14 years later we would have a Raynard, I would have said to myself, we have fully fulfilled our mission and moving out to Chicago. To have a young man that was a former student graduate our program, come back to our program and work, flourish within that system, and now be considered not only an employee, a valuable employee, and a future leader and future manager of one of our programs is the essence to which we do this work on a day in and day out basis.
What makes me a good leader is just the energy I bring inside of the building, being passionate about our students and our staff, and being consistent. A lot of the students and the staff, from what I've seen over the years, is they just want a person that listens, and then you'll pivot around like what's going on inside of the building. But just being that listening ear and just being consistent on what pretty much the staff and the students need. The motivation behind everything is when I see old classmates come in and say, hey, Ray, you still here? They tell me, say, hey, Ray, you just different. You the motivation of the neighborhood. And it just gives them a push to keep going. And that just makes me like super happy, because I'm a person that always wanted to touch my community, but staying here, changing lives, and even to the point that some classmates, I have their kids now. So just being a difference to them, and then now being a difference to their kids is just pretty big to me. The legacy I want to leave behind is just to let people know to fall in love with what you do, meaning if you have a passion for it, put your all into it, because whatever you dream, whatever you want to achieve, is reachable. So lastly, I just want to say thank you to the Bookers, the Brooks, the Colemans of the world, the Haleys of the world, and definitely just standing right here, Mr. Pedro Segura. He just played a big part in that beginning. So thank you guys. You guys are the heroes that's not in the movies.